Okay. Being in a Covenant neighborhood, these butt munches, I'm gonna say it like that, you gotta be ahead of them, ahead of the game. Cleaning out my gutters on a freaking Sunday. I do not suggest this if you do not know what you're doing. Okay? That's a 24-foot extension ladder. Actually, when you look at the colors, I think that's the red is a weight of 250. They don't have nothing higher than a red as far as I know. So just so you know. Max weight is 250. So if you got anything on you, if you weigh like I do, we're maxing out the weight right about now. Okay, but one of the main things about setting it, especially in the dirt or mulch, I don't know if you can see it, but there's claws. You gotta make sure the claws are dug into the dirt. And then when you get on the ladder, do a happy dance. Make sure that baby don't move, okay? Left and right. If it sways, then it means don't go up this sucker. I mean, just being honest with you. I'm getting old. I don't like to do this mess no more. But if you come, my professional gutter cleaner. Just this for the unprofessional. Really? Look at life. Makeshift gutter guy. But these bougie people, they don't realize they do have a gutter guard up here. Oh, but we're trying to sell our neighborhood. Okay. Well, let's have some common sense. You know? But we don't. We don't have no common sense. That's one heck of a pitch. It ain't perfect, but that's what they're getting today. See that right now. We're going to let the professional leaf cleaner go. Here. Slow because we're done. Don't want to bust out behind after we finally get done, you know? That wouldn't be pleasant. Haha, gutter cleaning before HOA says a damn thing to us. This is how you gotta be. Don't get mad, just stay ahead of the game. Peace out. Okay, round 2. I'm not gonna do the other side of the house gutters, but I'm gonna say some common sense. See how I got the ladder? If it slides, it's gonna go right towards the wood, and we're gonna get up there and clean in that corner right there. We're gonna say, I'm gonna say, oh my God. Well, that's what it gets being lazy. This is up near my back door. Gotta get this mess before it becomes damaging.